Good morning, friends. I hope you all are having a wonderful day so far. Obviously, it's Friday and Sunday. Some of you are definitely having an appointment with me. So that's great, isn't it? So, have you registered for the workshop Lead Yourself, which is conducted this Sunday? Just 3 hours of your time you need to give at Jayanagar in Bangalore. If you have not done that, go to the link that is provided in the description of this video now and register yourself. If you have done that, ciao, see you on Sunday. Now, those of you who have not registered so far, let me try and ask you a few questions that might give you a good enough reason for going onto that link and registering yourself now. Did you know that there are 4 lakh species of Homo sapiens? We are all not the same. Fascinating, isn't it? Did you know that our inherent characteristics make us belong to one of the 4 categories of human beings? Yeah? No? Did you know that all of us go through 4 basic stages of life? Did you know that this entire universe that we live in, that we know of, including ourselves, function or are governed by 3 specific modes of material nature? Now, if we don't know this, that means we don't know life, we don't know ourselves, we don't know exactly what we are doing. Our life has become a trial and error process. Some things work, some things don't, because some of the basic facts that we are meant to know, we are not learning about them. On top of that, when some of us become parents, we start guiding our children. Are we equipped to do that? If our own life has been a trial and error method, are we guiding our children also by the same method? Now, if you are a senior and managing a team and are expected to guide the entire workforce, who is working and reporting to you, are you sure you know what you're doing? Do you know that based on some of the questions that I asked, you can figure out what is the best, engagement that you are suited for in this life? And once you know what are your inherent qualities that are suited for doing exactly what in this life, obviously success is ours. You will obviously do exceedingly well when you match your inherent characteristics with the engagement that you choose to do, whether you call it livelihood, job, career, whatever you may call that. So isn't this interesting for all of us to know these things? See, I have given many of my days to prepare for this workshop so that I can help all of you lead a happier life. I'm also going to be there on Sunday, looking forward to spending this time with some of you. Is it too much to ask you to just spare 3 hours of your time? Friends, seats are extremely limited. We can only get 20 people to register for this workshop simply because we want to keep these programs highly interactive. You need to have your aha moments, your own insights, your own transformational phase, which can only happen when you are thinking and interacting. And that's what we intend to do in these workshops. Although it's a short workshop, so it's going to be an introduction to a lot of these topics, still believe me, you will walk out with specific takeaways that are going to make a positive change in your life immediately. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link that is provided in the description of this video, click on that, register yourself right now, and see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.